So this guy has been, this is his first day and first time he's out. Look at him, he's full size, grown. And if he flies now, he's not going to make home because he doesn't know. So he has to get ready. Here we go.